Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video, you will learn how to connect money from leader stats into a UI. So first, create a script in service script service. Name this script leader stats, and then create a variable for the players. So local player is equals to game with service players, and then we will now create the function create leader stats and then pass the player as the parameter. So now we will create a new instance. So folder instance that new. What type of instance? So we are creating folder and the parent is the player. So folder that name is equals to leader stats. And then we will create another new instance. We call this money. So local money is equals to instance int value, and then the parent is the folder, and then give that money a new name, not a new name, give that money a name, which is money, and then the value, money, that value is equals to 0. So now connect this function to an event when player is added to the game. So player, oops, delete this one, just call the function direct, then run the script to see if it works. So now we successfully created our leader stats. See here, folder was created, and then under the folder, our money, which is the int value, go back to script. So now we will create, but first, we will create a model, not a model, a part, add a part. So what will happen is if player touch this part, it will give money. So create a leader stat, create a new script, and then money giver, delete the default. So reference the part money giver as our variable, money giver. So local function money giver untouched part head as the parameter. So local character is equal head dot parent, and then we create a variable for the player, local player, game players, then character. So now if it's a player, then we will find the leader stats. Local leader stats is equals to player Find first child leader stats. If leader stats exist, then we will find the money. So local money is equals to leader stats. Find first child money. And then if money exists, what we are going to do is add a value 1. So if money, then money that value is equals to money that value plus 1. And then we will connect the function to the touch event. So money giver that touch connect function, which is the on touch part. So let's check. So run the script. So touch the part. As you can see, it added money. We just need a debounce. So it will just add a one per second. Anchor this. Then go back to the script. Let's create the debounce. So it will just give a value of 1 every 1 second. So if player and not debounce, then debounce is equals to true. And we will wait 1 second. Debounce is equals to false. Run the script. Okay, so now it is working. It gives 1 per second only. Now we will connect this to UI. Create our screen GUI. And then frame. And then text label. So now add the local script. So local script is for the client only. So local player is equals to game that players local player. So where we are on the client side, so we are using local player. You cannot call local player on the server side. So now let's create another variable for the text label. Is equals script that parent, which is the screen GUI, and then the frame. So under frame is our text label, and then now create another variable for our money. So local money is equals player with for child leader stats. Under leader stats, we find the money. So now connect our UI to our money in leader stats. So text label is equals to string money that value, and then we will detect the change event on money. So money the change connect function new money as the parameter, and then we will just copy this one and replace this into new money. So now run the script. So if we touch the part, as you can see here, our UI are also dated. So feel free to copy the script and then review it if you want. So you will learn. So I hope you learned something. If you do, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. So that's all for this video. Thank you. See you in the next one.